Hello everyone. In this exercise of the SolidWorks, we will understand how the fold and unfold and flatten feature work in the sheet metal SolidWorks. Let's start. File, new, part. This is the default option, part option. Okay. This is the SolidWorks user interface, and I change the background plain white, and unit system I am taking millimeter, gram, seconds. Okay, I am taking top plane. First we make a base flange and edge flange. This one, center rectangle, this one. May take any arbitrary dimension. This is 120 and this one is 80 mm. This one in the sheet metal. In the sheet metal, base flange thickness. This I am taking the thickness 2 mm. This you will see from reverse direction. You can take the dimension up, reverse the direction. This one direction of the thickness you can reverse from this one or this one. I am taking below this one. In the if I right click on the sheet metal, from here you can reverse. I am take this is the sheet thickness 2 mm and radius in 1.1. Actually, the sheet thickness as the radius of the sheet is inside the band radius is taken as the equal to sheet thickness or more than that. I am taking this as a 2 mm. Isometric view. I am taking edge flange. You may select any edge, top edge or bottom edge. This one, this one, this one, this one. Radius is 2 mm. If you want to change from default, you can change. 2 mm sheet thickness. Gap is 2 mm. This gap 2 mm is the I am taking the only 1 mm gap. I am taking this gap is between these flanges. You are seeing this. Angle is 90 degree. You can change the angle from here 89, but I am taking 90 degree angle. Okay. This is the flange length. Flange length I am taking only 30 mm. 30 mm. And this dimension is outer virtual shaft. Outer virtual shaft means if I take front view, this dimension is measured from the intersection of the outer edges, outer edge of the sheet, this one intersection point, outer edge and this line. This from intersection point to up to the end of the flange. This is that height, 30 mm. Position flange. Flange position means this is metal inside the sheet. If you take metal outside, bed outside, I think is in this way you can take as per drawing you can take. I am taking inside the thing. Okay. Custom relief I am not taking this one. This is the end. In this exercise we will focus only the unfold, fold and flatten command. Okay. So this is a simple structure which consists of the base flange and the edge flange. Sheet metal I go in the unfold command. Unfold. Now a window appears in the left position, fixed face. First I have to select the fixed face, this one. Band to unfold, there are the 4 bands, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you select manually, suppose I want to unfold this band. If I bring my cursor on this band, you will see there is a orange line appears and it means band is selected, this one. You don't select the edge of anything. You select complete band, this one and this. You will see the pink line, orange line appears. So this line, left hand side you will see the 2 bands selected and selected. This is unfold. If you want to unfold it, hold it, select the fixed space, automatically selects, and band to unfold, band to fold. Again, this band and this band. This way. One more example we see, unfold, this one, fixed space, this fixed space. If I collect all bands, all the bands are selected automatically in the system. This 1, 2, 3, 4, all are selected, and this one, all are this one. If unfold command, fixed case, this one fixed space, selected, bands to unfold, select all band, this one. Fold command. This one, all bands are selected. Automatically are selected. You collect all bands, it means automatically all bands are selected. And unfold. In this way, you can use fold and unfold command. If you flatten it, this is a flatten view. But the main difference between the fold, unfold, and flatten view, in the flatten view, you can't amend the structure of this one. Suppose I unflatten. You click again on flatten, this one. Suppose I want to unfold this command. Unfold the fixed space, collect all bands, this one, select. Suppose you want to make any hole here. $50 mm. Fully divided. Sheet metal, extrude cut, blind, link to thickness. Link to thickness means cut will take place up to the sheet thickness, and okay. If I unfold it, fold, this space is selected, bands to fold, you can manually select it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay. This one. You can select both in the manually and automatically. So in this way we can fold and unfold the sheet metal part and flatten. But the difference between the fold, unfold, and flatten view, in the flatten view, suppose I unflatten. This. In this way, we can't make a hole, anything. We can't edit the structure. In this is the disadvantage of the flatten. Suppose you want to give for the cutting purpose to CNC machine or any cutting machine, you can save it in the DXF file for the AutoCAD. AutoCAD file is applicable in the CNC machine, all the cutting machines, CNC machines. So how can you save it? Right click on this thing and export to DXF. Export to DF, where you want to save it, give the name part 1, for example, save it. A window appears, select the sheet metal and the whatever parameters you required, hidden edges, band lines, forming tools, bounding box, you can select. There is no forming tool. Even you can select the origin also, but I'm not selecting this thing. This one, and save it. This DXF file you can use for the CNC machine for the cutting purpose. So required cutting can be done for the required part. So in this way we can do unflatten it, unflatten from. In this way, we can use the fold, unfold, and flatten view feature. And the difference between the flatten and unfold feature is only we can edit the fold feature, unfold feature, but we can't edit the flatten feature in this way. So I hope you would have enjoyed in this exercise. You please like, share, and you please subscribe this channel to grow to a great extent. And thank you for watching. Thank you very much.